Pack TV. We're out here in the middle of Indiana, Mentone airstrip. Looks pretty similar to like Darlington from what I've seen. Last year whenever we were here, the car, we had like a freaking NHRA converter in it and we didn't have anything for suspension. The car went really slow, but we weaseled our way into semifinals somehow. But today we've got, I think, 10 in small tire. There's a few of them in Outlaw Street, a couple big tire cars. It's gonna make for a good day of racing. And then everybody can just test, and that'll definitely push us further into the upcoming months of what we got going on. Really excited to get Party Pack dialed in today. And everybody else is gonna, I'm sure, I mean, we've always raced on water here, or from what I've known, the only time that I've been here was on water, and it's a pour your own puddle. We're gonna be using the stripper glitter today. So let's see if we can't make things go a little faster and see what we come up with. Who, that wild bumper over there? I got bad news for Bumper. If I manage to have to race him today, as bad as he hates Crocs, I'm definitely gonna be driving in the Crocs. Just so whenever I get back to the lanes, I can tell him I gapped his ass in Crocs. I'm definitely gonna be racing you in my Crocs because you hate them so much. Wait, if I can pull up that W, it's gonna be really bad.
It will. It will.
I like that.
I can't eat chips with a guy wearing Crocs. Besides, I only eat Doritos.
These are nacho cheese.
Sun chips, Crocs. You do the math.
We're not gonna have anybody on the tire crack, so that's up to you. If someone comes up to you and they're like, hey, you jumped or something, I mean, they need to, if they're gonna say that, they probably should have somebody on the camera if they're worried about it.
I'm gonna give everybody 5, but if you bump, I'm going the next guy. And after 5, I'm gonna drop back. Everybody good with that?
How many burnouts? Tires smoke, it's a burnout.
Yeah.
If they don't smoke, you could do another one.
Right. Everybody knows what a burnout is.
Yeah. Right.
We'll call forward. We'll say
Forward movement of the car.
Yeah.
Okay. Right.
Look, Facebook race has turned into a grudge race, then, right? So you just drew
Really?
So. Oh yeah, of course you did. Timing pull on Old Girl was just a little bit much. Didn't let us do a burnout, but I know it's close on the big end, but I think I came around him just in time. Oh my gosh.
It's losing voltage, that's why it's doing that.
For sure. There goes the bell again.
Losing voltage and bells.
Not coming up.
got scrambled.
Damn.
Moo did good. Moo's car went straight and good.
It had to have been Austin. Did he have it on? I think he still went out. He still won, didn't he?
I know he has it. You know it's still on, but he turned it up.
What?
I think it's on 35.
Why?
Boost cut on. He's on 35.
2 in a row. He ain't won't do that again.
I rest my case.
Yeah, you can
I rest my case. It ain't my shit that I blow up.
so happy that thing is straight out.
Nice.
Straight there.
Just went a little bit, but it was good.
Another one.
Another one.
Nope, we'll get our money back.
Nice.
Why? I think maybe. We might even do that.
Probably not.
Yeah, we get half the money back. It's all right.
Hopefully, never has
Same pass again. Awesome. Yes. No, I don't dance. That was fun. Yeah, I know. We were worried about that when we had a wastegate with bad diaphragm, so we were all kind of worried. I was like 6 pounds down on boost, but 60 good enough, hold off the wind. Belt.
That thing's like,
You know, if he keeps doing it every pass, he should probably fix it. I'm just saying.
Did you get that?
Yeah. I mean, it's only done it for the last 2 races, right? I mean, I don't understand.
Yeah. Race lessons with Moo. He's right.
Fix it.
a good pass.
Good. Oh, dude. It was carrying the wheel. Nice. Yeah, it was smooth, bud. Good job.
Yeah, dude. Had the wheel on her a little bit when I was like, I'm not lifting off this thing.
Time for another one.
It's beat on me all day, and I'm beating on this thing all day. We're gonna check training fluid. We're out of fuel.
Toe in, toe out, because your front driver's side tire is just like this the whole way.
Really?
Yeah.
She's idling a little high. I don't know what that means, but I'll tell you what, dude, as soon as I get this closed loop under control, it's gonna be a bad mother. That was a 160. That was insane. It was perfect. It was meant, it just hit cut. Dude, when you hit the throttle now and it pins that thing shut to get the closed loop number, woo! I was damn near at the finish line and laid into it. I swear I did a wheelie out there. Awesome. I just got to get it to stop over boosting, but it pins, this thing makes boost right now when it pins that sumbitch shut.
What sumbitch?
Sumbitch.
Oh,
We weren't on full boost when
I
we
heard
left
you
the
let off. I
line.
was like, oh God, what are you doing? I thought the car died.
It was in high gear, and I realized the trans brake wasn't grabbing. So then I seen him coming up, so I was like, grabbed it, and then
I tried to leave it there for a second, but he was over there going, bop, bop,
yeah, no, I didn't.
Yeah,
I was glad you let it go, but
You might need to go in first next time.
I thought
I
I was
just
coming in
figured when I
first.
looked at him, he would put it on the brake, but he had it in second gear.
I tried, and it was in second gear, but we lost a tenth on the 60, but it miled an hour harder.